Hi guys. Actually giving Mocha a walk with me. Uh, we're having a good time. Yes. So oh yeah. So it's a good day today. It's mostly cloudy today. Mostly it's mostly cloudy today. Um, yeah. Um, so I'm here with Mocha. This is Mocha, and Mocha is just being herself, and it's good. Uh, yeah, um, yeah. I like to do this video so people like animals too. So, um, so my family has Mocha too, you know, and it's good, you know, it's good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. She Alex it looks like she likes the grass right now. The grass is nice and tall. Yeah. I think we're gonna go home back. I don't think she likes that much. Today it's cloud, it's gloomy. Mocha, Mocha. So see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. Okay, bye bye.